So this is a MK3 Ford Focus, and the brake light's gone. You don't need tools to you have to take the light fitting out, but you don't need tools. There's two screws, hand screws. One is underneath there, it's just here, and you just unscrew that, and it's just a hand tight, and then there's this cover just underneath it, you just pull off, and there's another one just here, so you unscrew that. They're a bit stiff to start with, but once you've undone and released it, it's a bit easier. But it's quite, you need to get your arm in there. Okay, there we go. So with the two hand screws released, it comes out this way, like that. So you just need to keep a hold of it and just give it a, there we go. So just be careful of the wires still attached. And so this is, the top one is the brake light, and you just twist it anti-clockwise. So whichever one you need to replace, you just twist it around, just a quarter turn. So that one's blown. So something to watch out for, the P21 is slightly different. The one you need is the P21W, and the pins on the bulb on the one that you do need, the P21W, are level. You can see the pin there and the pin on the other side, they're at the same distance from the bottom of the bulb, and also you can see the single contact point, whereas the P21 regular one, they're offset. See the pins there, and they've got two contact points. So P21's no good. P21W is the one you want. See the grooves they go into. Just turn, and then like a little tiny quarter turn in, and then back in there. And then a quarter turn again, clicks in, and that's it. So the you see the pin there goes into the point on the bodywork. And you just push it in that way, making sure the pin lines up. That's it, and then just screw these back in. And the top one. So just do them up hand tight. That's it. Now from the moment of truth. There we go, brake lights on. Nice and easy.